Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can mention your friends in an Insta story when you already upload the story. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps. Then I'm going to just start by uploading a story to my Instagram. Okay, let's say I want to upload this stories right here. Just click on upload. I'm going to upload it in a close friend. Okay, so just wait until the story is uploaded or posted. Okay, so now it has been uploaded, so just click on the story. So let's say that you forgot to mention your friends, so what you need to do is just click on the more options or the three dots icon at the bottom, and there will be an option to add mentions or mention your friends. And here you can just search for the username. Click on the circle beside the username, and you can choose whether you want to let the people you mention to add this to their story or not. Click on add after that, and just like that, the mention has been added, but it will not visible in your story, but you still tag or mention your friends in your story. You can see the notification in here. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.